Dear students, welcome you all to this mechanical engineering lecture series. Today we are going to discuss about introduction about engineering mechanics. Okay, mechanics is a branch of physical science that deals with the study of rest or motion of bodies. Engineering mechanics apply the principles of mechanics to solve the practical problems. Apply the principles of mechanics to solve the practical problems. Practical problems. So, apply the principles of mechanics to solve the practical problems. What are the application areas of engineering mechanics? Applied in design of spacecrafts, rockets, analysis of structural stability and machine strength, vibrations, robotics, electrical machines, fluid flow controls, etc. The engineering mechanics classified into two classifications. One is statics, another one is dynamics. In statics, study of particle or rigid body in resting condition. Analysis of study of particles or rigid bodies in resting condition. Study of particles or rigid bodies resting condition. In dynamics, study of particle or rigid bodies in moving condition. Moving condition. The dynamics further classified into two classification. One is kinematics and kinetics. In kinematics, study of particles or bodies in moving condition without consider the force which causes the motion. Without consider the force which causes the motion. Without consider the force which causes the motion. So without consider the force which causes the motion. In kinetics, with consider the force which causes the motion. So kinematics, study of particles or rigid bodies in moving condition without consider the force which cause the motion. Kinetics, study of particles or rigid bodies in moving condition with consider the force which cause the motion. Okay, next topic, units and dimensions. Unit is defined as the numerical standard which is used to express the qualitative measure of a physical quantity. Numerical standard used to express the qualitative measure of a physical quantity. Okay, qualitative measure of physical quantity. So there are four system of units available: CGS, FPS, MKS, and SI unit. In CGS system of unit, centimeter, gram, second. Length, mass, time. FPS units, foot, pound, second. And MKS units, meter, kilogram, second. Length, mass, time. SI unit means system international unit or international system of units. Okay, nowadays we follow only international system of units. So in our engineering mechanics subject also we follow only international system of units, SI units. In SI units classified into three classifications. Basic units, supplementary units, and derived units. Basic units are length, mass, time. Length in meter, mass in kilogram, time in second. The meter symbol m, kilogram symbol kg, second time in yes. The supplementary units are used to mention the angle of plane angles and solid angles. The plane angle is represented by the radian. The simple radian, symbol RAD. The solid angle represented by straightian. ST. Derived units are derived from basic and supplementary units. For example, volume equal to length into width into depth equal to meter cube. Okay, these are the introduction about the subject engineering mechanics. In next class, we are going to discuss about laws of mechanics. Thank you, students. If you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous lecture series of mechanical engineering. Thank you very much.